First of all, very good afternoon to each and every one. Today we five are presenting
Hold,
our
hold,
present.
hold a minute. Hold.
Today we five are presenting our
Neha, just a minute.
presentation.
Neha, just a minute. Kulkarni sir, please mute your mic. And
Sir,
Yogesh,
just,
you also.
yes, yes.
Yogesh.
Yeah, Neha, just I would like to ask you that who are the five peoples? What?
Sir, Neha Richaria,
Hmm?
Sumit Patel, Yogesh Pratap Singh, Jyoti Rani Gupta, and Prateek Mehendi.
Okay, please start.
Okay, so first of all, very good afternoon to each and everyone. Today I am presenting on OYO creating effective spaces. My name is Neha, and I am starting with the introduction. So first of all, OYO uh, OYO has founded by the young entrepreneur Mr. Ritesh Agrawal, and before this, he started his first startup, which is Arrival Stays Limited, that provide and listing their budgeted accommodation, and this operate from the Gurgaon, Haryana. And when OYO comes, this startup has expanded globally with the thousands of hotels and millions of rooms in India and as well as in other countries. And OYO has also developed his own app, which promised a hotel booking in less than 5 seconds. Next slide, please. So next, I'm starting with background. In 2012, no, sorry, in 2016, the boost in the hospitality sector has boosted the uh, global hotel industry to a great extent, and also the rise in the disposable income had enabled people to spend more on touring and traveling various places. This transformed the market for hotel industry in the global scenario, and the demand has also increased in the budgeted room segment because now the travelers wanted to experience a good quality stay in the uh, real world. And next, most of this demand has for the budgeted room because out of the 4 million hotels in India, 96% were unbranded and small but high in demand. The online traveling agencies were now become more apparent, and this also makes the online booking easy, and also increased the visibility in the online platform, so that it introduces the new more customers in the market. Next slide, please. Traditional business versus the innovation. First, I am talking with the traditional business. In this traditional business, many challenges have had faced by the hotel industry, and the uh, one of the challenge is traditional marketing methods are not that effective to create a better market, and the other operational challenges had also faced by the hotel industry, like reservation management, attending guests, maintaining cleanliness in the hotel and other premises, and this provides the customer dissatisfaction. And the other challenge for the hotel industry is maintaining an online reputation, uh, maintaining online reputation, and because of this unmanaged reputation, hotel industry create create a poor brand image. And now I'm talking with the innovation. In the innovation model represents most of the strength of the traditional business with none of the inefficiencies. One of the innovation is that in the hotel industry now the customers can experience good quality stay in the hotels, and can experience and can get more other qualitative services. And the other is localization localization that innovating to find a place in the country's social fabric, because everyone deserves a beautifully designed and comfortable living spaces. And the other innovation is that now the most of the unorganized sector is converted into the branded ecosystem. So the customers who looking for the good quality spaces under the budgeted price, now they can access this opportunity. Now Jyoti will talk about the main drawbacks in the industry.
Thank you, Neha. Uh, drawbacks of Drawback of hotel industry. There was a lack of reliability, predictability, and standardization. Back-to-back tickets. There was a no set of standard in a hotel industry, due to which the consumer can't predict about the service, as a result of which there was a lack of reliability in a hotel industry. New of the latest concept of OYO has changed the whole structure of the hotel industry. There is a reliability and set of standard service that provide consumer from the facilities and service all over the country. And the second topic is mid-class customer couldn't find budget hotels. The budget of a middle class family was low and the hotel rooms were very high. That's why before OYO, the middle class family was not book hotels because their budget was very low. The booking commission model. The booking commission model. Commission is a charge that the hotel pay to the third parties for selling their hotel rooms. It is usually a fixed percentage of room rate. Because of that, price of the hotel was very high. So the middle class people was not affordable. Fourth point is lack of technology. Lack of technology. Hotels are the place where the people can stay as a home, and securities of guests is very important. Uh, it means securities there was a camera in the hotels, and the identify identity of the customers. So before OYO, there was a lack of technology. No customer feedback. The feedback of a customer. In OYO, the feedback of a customer was not checked by the hotel management before OYO. The customer was not satisfied their service. But after OYO, how to improve service can check by the OYO. And my fifth point is no customer. And my sixth point is rude staff. The behavior of the staff was very rude, and so it affect the customers to book their hotels. That's why uh, uh, that's why the customers should not come to the hotel and book the hotel. Thank you. And next slide, please. Current scenario. And my first scenario was OYO has a lot of untapped market which is not yet converted into business. OYO target business was budget hotel, but they introduced OYO asset liabilities, which but there are still a lot of demands left over the budget. So OYO can create more hotels for them. My second scenario is increase in smartphones. People were not booked more than online. And there was a smartphone increasing day by day. Before there was mobile phone to book the online hotel. It increased the revenue and the demand of the hotel. The smartphone also helped people not to go to the agent and book hotel directly. Not owing room leading the discomfort, misunderstanding of a customer. The customer should not book room before the discomfort, misunderstanding, but after OYO, the customer should satisfy to see all comfort and facilities provided by the OYO in seen to OYO app. And the book was budget price and the satisfied by all customers. Next slide, please. The founder of Oyo was Mr. Ritesh Agrawal. At the age of 18 years, he started the first company, Oval Estate Private Limited, and in 2013, he changed their name was Oyo. His funding was 188 million, approx 13 crore, and the first investor was SoftBank. Now, I would like to invite Yogesh to will give the explain a strategy by Mr. Ritesh Agarwal.
Thank you, Jyoti. Now I'm going to explain asset light strategy. Asset light strategy is a business model where business owns relatively former, fewer capital assets compared to value of its operations. It is popularly adopted by the number of the startup because of its ability to get company higher skies when compared to the traditional model. Mr. Agrawal target those hotels which are vacant or non-frequently uh, visited by the people, and Oyo target the middle class people who want greater quality, uh, best location, and in low price. Great quality is the there where five promises Oyo does with their customer. First is clean washroom, spotless linen, and air conditioner room with television, breakfast, and free Wi-Fi. And best location, they provide rooms at the best location like any IT hub or near any mall. And low price, the price of room is the lowest according to the comfort. And next model is aggregator business model. It is the type of network model where aggregator firms collect the information about the particular offering provider, sign contract with such provider, and sell their services under its own brand. They provide they provide uniform quality, affordable price, and standard with trained staff and end-to-end responsibility for the customer experience. End-to-end process that takes system or services from the beginning to end and delivers a complete functional solution, and usually without needing to obtain anything from third party. They are taking responsibility from the owner of the house, like easy check-in, easy check-out, and booking and providing a best class experience. And next is predictability will bring reliability. In this model, they are doing certain they are applying certain strategies with a different situation from which strategy is going to work well. They applied the same for the future. And thank you. And next slide is going to present by Sumit.
Yes, Yogesh, thank you. The technology for speed and scale. The technology for speed and scale technology is the important thing in every organization or mainly in online working process. And they developed the two app, one for the staff and the OYO app and the Krypton app to the staff. And for the OYO app, 3 click, 5 seconds, and the room booked. And the satisfaction for the customer is good. It is a very fast process in the 5 seconds and 3 clicks, and all the information that are to be collected from the OYO app is can be collected online itself, and it can be notified that the images that are shown on the OYO app is the liable to see in the rooms also, and it is depend on the hotel, which type of hotel is this, and the rooms are occupied or not. Everything is defined on the app, and they are color coded also, green, black, and they are specifying about the color that green is standardized room and black is not standardized or something defected on it, and all the things are specified on the app. And next slide please, Yogesh. Focus team for acquisition and expansion. Teamwork is the most important in every organization or a business, and so getting a active team and a professional teammates to decide every decision, that what is wrong for company and what is wrong, what is right for the company, and so they must have a courage to choose the decision that what is good, and the company's growth and the progress, they noticed the decision they have taken, what is good and what is wrong is noticed by the progress of the company, or how much it is extended in all over the world. And so the experts in dealing with the partners who will become the partners, or the OYO is going to acquire the new partners for the business, or in future who will be the partner, and they are like friendly and they are capable to have the business dealings, or in some aptitude, and not only in dealing or anything, is communication skills, he should be expert in every area specialization, and they are acquire, and the OYO is also taking lease, hotels taking on lease from 3 to 5 years, and the partners are also in it, and they can buy it, or they are taking lease on it. The next slide. Yes, the feedback. The last step of the customer is the feedback. So the feedback of the customer, it does not mean just we have asked them to what is the experience or something like that. No, it the question should be in the requesting manner, that the do you like the service, or do you like the room facility, or do you facing some issues on it, what was the food, the breakfast is good or not, and do you feel something uh, issue in a room or anything, this is not unsatisfying to you, and based on that the customer will rate it reviews in stars, like 5 stars or 3 stars or below 3. If there are some issues in the stars or something less than 2 or 3, then OYO has to work on it, and it has to work immediately, that the customer will remain in this repeatability to come again and again for it. And if it is stars 5 or rating in the hotel, it falls something not good, which is good for the OYO and the hotels, and to have encourage staff members to do what the customers are uh, wanted to have in the hotels. And if the customer is facing issue in the on time going, so the staff or the members or the managers who are over the maintaining the hotel, they have to sort out it immediately. No customer should get uh, any type of um restrictions in the hotel, or in his daily day-to-day conventions. Now I proceed to further for the Pratik.
Thank you, Sumit. So lowest attrition with continuous training. So by establishing skill institutes and training centers helps the company to prepare a great human workforce which can play a major role in company's growth. When the company will grow, so will the profits and salaries of the employees, thus resulting in low attrition rate. They also do surveillance on employees to take out the unproductive
Pratik,
human
please turn on
resources.
your video. Pratik, please turn on your video. We want to see you.
Sir, it is turned on.
Please continue. Please continue.
So when the company will grow, they also do surveillance on employees to take out the unproductive human resources, and after that giving them training and taking assessment later on to test their capabilities. Company also focuses on continuous upgradation of skills in employees so they can cope up with new technology and have new skill set relevant to the current market, thus providing a lot of value to the workers, result in low attrition. Next slide, please. So here are the few conclusions that are drawn by doing the SWOT analysis on the given case. So as given that there was a huge demand of budget hotels which could be capitalized by the company. So OYO provides budget hotels to its customers by standardizing the rooms, and it also subsidizes hotel stays to make them affordable for customers. It also provides availability, predictability, and ease of use, hence providing customers with delightful experience and increasing customer retention. This creates a lot of opportunities for the company as there is a very high demand of budget hotels and aggregators which the company haven't fully captured upon. Next slide, please. Okay, so standardization of room helps in defeating the competition. So competition is always a great threat to any business. How OYO can deal with it, that the OYO rooms are mostly owned by various providers but have just been standardized under the OYO franchise, and thus people are guaranteed of standardization service in all OYO rooms, wherever they may be located. So this is the USP of this company, which makes it better than other businesses of same kind. Next is by innovation, the uncertainties of the market could be countered. So the idea from which OYO Rooms was initiated is a innovative one, which was to provide a one-step destination for a budget stay in India. The company is still continuing to maintain its spirit of innovation, which is seen from the policy to standardize rooms. So by innovation, the uncertainties of the market could be countered, like government policies, fluctuating demands, etc. Next is, as the company was growing on a large scale, it collects a large amount of funds which could help in solving the problem of not owning the inventory. So here the biggest weakness of the company is that they don't own any fixed asset inventory, which lowers down their equity and decision making power, or basically overall control on the inventory. So as given in the case that OYO moved to asset management company and started progressing in that business. So their old business model wasn't completely utilized as it had a lot of potential left for business. As there still a huge demand for budget hotels and aggregators who can channelize that demand in the right direction, and the owners of such hotels were facing losses even when the demand was so high, because they didn't knew exactly the right things to do and strategies to use, where the aggregators like OYO comes in place to solve their problem under their brand. So by creating a big customer base, more funds could be acquired and the weakness of not owning the inventory could be solved. Thank you.